Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 content ideas for your Instagram stories. My name is Stephanie Obi and I'm the author of the book Knowledge is the New Gold. Now, if you've noticed on Instagram, there's a new feature. Well, I don't even know if it's that new anymore because it has been there for a while, but it's a feature called Instagram Stories, all right? And you can put some short clips, of different kind of content there. Now, a lot of people are not using their Instagram stories because they don't know what to put there. Like, you're not even thinking about what you're going to put on your normal Instagram news feed or Instagram post, normal Instagram post. Instagram is now Instagram stories. Like, what am I going to put? So today I'm going to share with you 10 different things that you can put on your Instagram stories, because Instagram stories is a fantastic idea, and you can use that to build your brand, you can use that to sell, you can use that to get people to know more about your product. There's so much you can do with it. But anyway, here are my 10 content ideas that you can post on your IG stories. Number 1, behind the scenes. So show us what's happening in your life, what's happening in your business. So for example, you can see that I am shooting this video. I can quickly take a picture and I'll put it up on my Instagram stories, and people will just see that there's a video coming up, definitely doing a video, and hopefully they will look out for my video, they'll watch it, and they'll subscribe. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my video channel, please subscribe right now. Please subscribe. But anyway, you can put it behind the scenes of whatever is happening in your life, quickly put it up on Instagram stories. Number 2, and number 2 is quite interesting because this is something you can do if you don't have any ideas of what to post. Just ask questions. You can just put there's a feature that says ask me anything or ask a question. You can ask people to ask you anything and they'll start asking you anything, and all you're doing is just responding to their questions, and that's content. All right. That's content. And let me tell you one powerful thing about IG stories. It helps you to stay top of mind, because if you look at all this like in the marketing world, big brands spend so much money on billboards, on radio, on TV ads. What they're really trying to do is to stay top of mind, so that when you walk into a store, you pick up their products. Okay, so that's the same. That's what Instagram stories does for you. Even though you've shared your post, the IG stories help you to remain top of mind. Each time you put up a new story, it will pop up in people's screens, and they will see you and they'll say, what has this person posted? Let me go and see. So even if you don't know what to post, one easy thing you can do is to post a ask me any question, and people will ask you a question and you answer, and you will remain top of mind. Number 3, new content. So have you written a blog post? Have you written an email? Are you doing a webinar? Have you done a video? Like anything that you've done, you want to create more, give it more mileage. And one of the easiest ways to do this is to put it up as an IG story. Hey, new content, and you can also put an emoticon or somebody will be dancing by the side. I really like Insta stories because it's just fun. you can do so many fun things with it. You can put up maybe new webinar alert or new blog post alert, and somebody will be dancing. But basically, you've told more people that you now have new content that they can go and look up. All right. Number 4, product launches. So if you are introducing a new product, you now have something for sale, you can put it up on your IG story. If you're saying, oh, deadline 3 days to pay for this thing, you can put it up on your IG story. If you're saying sold out, this product is sold out, you can put it up on your IG story. So basically product updates, things about your products, things that you're selling, that's how you can use it to sell, because not everybody is seeing your main Instagram post. Some people are seeing your IG stories content, and so you can easily put up IG story, also put up on your Instagram posts, and some people will see both of them, some people only see one, and that's a win-win for you. So stop wasting your Instagram assets. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say here. Number 5, you can just talk to the camera. Talk to the camera. And some of us are different from some others. Some people have ideas in their mind and they like to talk. They can't write. They don't like to write, even though they can write literally, but don't like to write. And one of the easiest ways you can do this, if you're not a writer, you can be a talker. Just take your phone and start talking to your screen. All right. So whatever your style is fine. All right, it's fine. I guess you know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what my own style is. I typically don't talk to the screen, but for some other people, they like to talk on the screen. So whatever your works for you, that's fine. You can just talk to the screen and you have content. So quick recap: 5 things you can share on your IG stories: behind the scenes, ask questions, product launches, new content, and talk to the camera. The good news is I have more tips for you. All right, so stay with me. Number 6, testimonials. So if somebody has sent you a DM, oh, thank you so much, I took your online course, it really helped me, screenshot it and put it up. Oh, thank you so much, I read your your blog post, it really helped me, screenshot it and put it up. Now, if this video is helping you, please put a comment, let me screenshot it. I'll put it on my IG stories. But really, you should be using every content you have, because let me tell you something: if you don't toot your own horn, other people will toot their horn, and you'll be there saying, but I'm better than this thing, I have more results, I can do this, I do this, I do that too, just that I don't make mouth. Look, if you're not making mouth, you're not doing yourself a service. If people are sending you testimonials, sending you thank you, sending you oh, you changed my life, put it out there so that other people will know about the good things that you're doing, and they'll come to you to patronize your product, or they will share the word about you. You are not doing anybody any service by keeping quiet about it, or by hiding it, or by being coded. Like, it's a lose-lose situation, please. So please share your testimonials. Number 7, flashback. So I like this one because it's easy. Just look at your phone. What happened last week? Put it flashback to last week. This time last week I was. It's content. Flashback to what happened last year. What happened 3 months ago. You should never ever not have content on your IG story. Never, because you can put up all sorts of things. All right, so flashback to, I've even seen flashback to yesterday. That one was that's funny. You don't necessarily have to say flashback to yesterday, but you can put a post that happened yesterday, you can put a post that happened last week, last month, last year, when we were a baby, anything, you know, especially posts that will make people to know you, like you, and trust you. So anything, as far as your content is ticking those three boxes, it's fine. Number 8, you can talk about your inspiration. So is there someone who inspires you? You can talk about them in your Insta story. Is there a book that inspires you? Is there a book that inspires you? Is there a book that inspires you? Talk about it on your Insta story. So talk about anything that inspires you. If you go somewhere and you're inspired, you watch a movie, you were inspired, you watch anything that inspires you, talk about it, you know, and that's great content for your Insta story too. Number 9, share your story. This is my story. This is my song. Sharing it on IG. IG stories. You get the point. Share your story. Talk about things that happened to you. Talk about why you started your business. Talk about why you're doing what you do now. Talk about what happened to you yesterday. You know, and some people will say, oh, I don't want to put my whole life out there on Instagram. I'm not asking you to put your whole life on Instagram. I'm asking you to share a little bit of your life that will make people connect with you emotionally. People buy from people. They buy from people they know. They buy from people that they like. All right? And sometimes how you can encourage people to like you is by showing them that you are just like them. All right? So don't be too afraid to give out little snippets of your life. I'm not saying that you should go and talk about everything that happened to you since the day you were born. Just talk about things that will make people connect with you more. So if you're talking about, if you're a mother and your ideal client is a mother, share stories that mothers can resonate with. And that way people will be like, oh, you know, she understands what I'm going through. I just like her. They won't even know why they like you, but they'll just like you because you're just like them. All right, so share stories. It humanizes your brand and it makes people want to know more of you. And eventually, when they have a problem and you can solve, they will feel comfortable buying from you, even though they've never met you before. Number 10, last but not the least, share something fun. So sometimes share your outfit, sometimes share the food you're eating, sometimes do a selfie, sometimes you go to the bathroom and do a selfie. Like all those cheesy things, just do it. No matter how serious your brand is, no matter how, you know, Well, I guess it really depends on your brand and the things that you're putting out there. But sometimes do something fun. All right, don't always be serious. Sometimes share jokes. Like, just do something that, you know, if it made you laugh, share it too on your IG story. Like, it's just interesting. I find that all these outfits pictures, people like them. People like them. You know, if you're going to go and eat somewhere, share what you're eating, people like them. Like, it's just interesting. Not every time somebody wants to be talking about work, or business. Sometimes they want to talk about other fun things, and so share it too. All right, I hope that all these tips helped. Let's do a quick recap of the latest content ideas I shared with you. Number 6, testimonials. Number 7, flashbacks. Number 8, your inspiration. Number 9, your story. And number 10, something fun. So thank you so much for watching, and if this has helped you, tell somebody about it, support my YouTube channel, subscribe, tell people to subscribe. Look, you have to encourage me. Encourage me. All right, I'm just joking, but I'm serious. Encourage me. All right. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't heard about me, you can visit www.stephanieobi.com. You can read about me to know about my journey and why I do what I do. I also have a free online course starter pack there, just in case you haven't launched any product before. In this starter pack, you have different guides on what you can use to create your first online course, so that you can actually start making money. One of the things I talk about is that you can monetize your brand, you can monetize your knowledge, you can monetize your audience. All right, don't just sit there and wonder how did all these things happen. You can be a part of this revolution that is happening now. All right, so I also like to hear from you in the comment section. Please tell me what other Instagram stories idea you have, and or even if this helped you, also tell me, please. I really love to hear it, so that I can screenshot it and I can put it on my own Instagram stories. All right, thank you for watching. I hope to see you same time, same place next week.